Hey guys, if you want to see a room tour and pros and cons of staying at the MGM Signature Suites as opposed to the MGM, keep on watching. Hey guys, so first things first, get into how these hallways are a little different. When you get to your room, you'll have a little nook with other doors, so that'd be really cool if you're a family on vacation with adjoining rooms. But this here is a suite. MGM, the signature at MGM is all suites, but this is a particularly different suite. Quick break. Here's a breakdown of the price in case you were interested, and I will say I did love the experience. However, the only con to this whole place was the parking situation, and it's not really a con. You do get free valet parking. However, after a certain time, they do close. And if they close, you still get free parking over at the MGM Grand, but the walk is really long. I'll show you how that walk looks at the end of this video, so stay tuned. We'll talk more about it. TTYL. As you can see, it has a full kitchen, very nice refrigerator. One thing I will say is I've stayed at almost all of the hotels on the strip that have these family suites, and they typically come with all of your dishes. They'll be in one of the cabinets. Sometimes they're in the dishwasher. So I'm looking for all the dishes and I don't see them. So the only thing I can think is you must have to call the front desk because there's not even any silverware in there. I was not planning on cooking, so I can't confirm that you can call the front desk. But I mean, it seems like you should be able to. If not, I guess you'd have to bring your own. So just if you're going to stay here, ask that first so that you can already have, a plan ahead of time. It also has this little seating area, little bar area, which is really nice. And then here's a view of the kitchen. Okay, now this suite does have two bathrooms. I was going to call it a half bath, but it's not because it has a full shower. So this suite does have two full restrooms. And they all come with, the shampoo, conditioner, the body wash, standard. Okay, back in the living room area. Excuse the mess. I got kids. There's a little dining area. And then here's the full view of the living room. Now, this can kind of be considered a second bedroom because the couch does let out into a full-size bed, and then these little cabinets, it's like a wardrobe. You can place your luggage in there, and a really cute thing that I like is these little hidden drawers, so you can place your clothes in there. So I thought that was super cute. Now, I love all of the mirrors in this room. There's another little seating area and then the mirrored doors. And here's another good view of the full front room of the suite. Now, get ready for this view. I feel like if you're not going to have a strip view, this is like the best view, other than the strip, obviously, that you can get. I kind of like this one better. I like looking down at Topgolf. My camera doesn't do it any justice at all. Like you can actually see the TVs, what's playing down there with your eyes, just not the camera. You can see the MGM is right next door. The signature does have 3 towers, so I'm in tower 1, and that's tower 2, and then tower 3. I don't think you can see in this video. But yeah, if you're afraid of heights, this balcony does give me anxiety. I'm not gonna lie about that. But again, it's really roomy, really big, really nice. The view was amazing. Okay, so back in, we're gonna go into the bedroom. king size bed, obviously. A really nice mirror. And my favorite part was the huge primary bathroom. So I'll show you that in a minute. Of course, you got your nice little TV area. Here's the first closet, automatic lighting when you open the closet, a couple robes. I don't see any slippers, but we do have robes. Just keep that in mind. They probably bring you some if you ask, not positive. I didn't get a good clip of the other closet, so here it is. It does have the safe and extra bedding. Here's where I guess you can get a little bit of work done as well. And just another view of the bedroom, a little seating area. And of course, you've got the same nice view as the living room. Okay, and here is the primary bathroom. Super big. You got a jetted tub. If you want to get in there, you know, do so at your own risk. Maybe clean it. I don't know. bring a little bleach. I love the vanity area. As you can see, there's a seat, and here's just a little clip of how I'm using it to get ready. Loved it. I need one in my own house. And of course, you've got the double sinks. You got a little TV for Get Ready With Me. Now, what I do wish is that the TV was next to the vanity instead of over here, but let's be real. I'll use my phone, my laptop, my iPad anyway. Okay, and you've got a really nice size shower with the same little toiletries in there. And you've got a pretty big, nice size water closet. You got your standard little hotel phone in there. I guess if you're having an emergency, you can always reach the front desk, right? These two closets have locks. They don't open. Overall, I would rate this hotel a 9 out of 10. The only thing I didn't love was the parking situation and how long it took to get to the MGM, but it's definitely totally connected. Here's one of the restaurants downstairs, and I'll show you the path to get to the MGM if you want to go gamble or if you end up having to park there.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Yeah. OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Andy? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a finance home, that's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. Leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on the 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pop that ass till the morning come. You want shots for the girls, damn, order some. Who's calling that? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world.
Is that your bestie? I'm an ice boy bestie. Impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty. Impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Damn. How many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love? You know my dad now I'm pimping for real. You ever been down to Memphis, Tennessee, my love?